welcome to my channel. Today we'll see the recipe for crab roast. It is one of the traditional recipes that is popular among the people living near the backwaters in Kerala. No matter which part of the world we live in, it is through these traditional recipes that we connect to our roots and also the memories associated with it. These are sea crabs, but the crabs from the river are tastier. A detailed video on how to clean crabs will be uploaded soon and linked in the description. After serving breakfast to my kids, I slowly went into the kitchen to get the things ready for making the crab roast. Details of all the ingredients required are listed in the description box below. Please do check out. Let's start cooking. To a clay pot, add coconut oil. Add sliced onions. I have roughly sliced the onions. You can slice them finely so that you can save time while sorting them. Now add curry leaves to it and saute them well in oil. The onions have turned brown and mushy. Add the crushed ginger garlic and chilli and saute it all once again. I love to spice up my dishes with green chillies as it adds extraordinary flavor. Add a little oil. Now let's prepare the masala. For the masala, add coriander powder, chilli powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri chilly powder and add little water and make it into a fine paste. Add this paste to the onion mixture. Also, I have scraped off the masala from the plate using little water and add it to the onions. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add crushed pepper. Back in Kerala, we use green peppercorns which are fresh. That enhances the flavor than these dried ones. Add tomatoes and stir everything once again. Now the tomatoes have become mushy and cooked well. Now let's add the crabs. Coat the crabs in the masala and cook them on low flame. Make sure the tomatoes don't stick to the bottom. Keep sauteing them once in a while. It requires very less cooking time, so at this point let's add the salt. Add garam masala, water and cover and cook for a few minutes. Open the lid once in a while and stir everything once so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. Now the crab is almost cooked. Now let's keep it uncovered and simmer for a few minutes. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. Delicious crab roast is ready to be served and it can be had with rice or any flatbread of your choice. Please do try this recipe. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. See you soon in another interesting video. Thank you.